up, people? It's been a while. I have a dog. If he'll stop moving. That's my puppy. That's Joey. Joey! Joey, say hi to the camera. Say hi, camera. Yeah, there you go. He's a good boy. He's playing with his bone. I don't think you guys can see it too well. There's his big bone. It's a big, big bone. Anyways, I'm just hanging out here. Actually trying to go home, but my ride has not made it yet. So, yeah. Talk to y'all later. Say bye-bye, Joey.